Hello guys and welcome to the channel. This is TBC MOTOVLOG. Today I'll be pushing the bike a bit. Although this is not a track, this is a road, so we have to do it with all safety and precaution. I have my boots, I have my jacket, my gloves, helmet, everything all geared up, and I'm not going to push very hard. I'm just going to push a little bit and test out the power of this R3 which I recently purchased, and this is my new upgrade. This is the bike, and have a look. So that's it, let's roll and stay safe, ride safe, and ride in your limits, and follow traffic rules. And this video is just for educational purpose and just to check the pickup and the power of the Yamaha R3. So we are going to march ahead and let's see. तो चलिए मिलते हैं आगे.
Gotta be the one to put us on, cause I ain't waiting for nobody else to make it. Breaking through the game and I don't want the fame, but it's the money cause of being famous. I'ma have to take it, please don't tell me when you bring my face, and I will have complaints. I never been complacent when it's shit for grace, and I don't do no third or fucking second places, oh God. Tell me what's happening, you ain't liking the fact that I'm back again, and I'm godly as fuck, I should live in the Vatican. No one's a rapper, is matching, there's a lot of talking, a lot of checks from a lot of bond, a lot of ecstasy and conversation. When you bring my name up, there's a lot of flex, and I don't do no changing, I ain't never changed up. I'm the only one, take you out with just a single shot. I guess that you could call that shit a hole in one. If you got the money, better show me some. You need my name up on the dotted line and you don't know me, son. Don't ever hold me, son, cause I got shit to do. If you ain't talking business and this shit is through, I gotta go because I work a lot. Earn my spot to get a certain drop on how these rappers move. You never heard a lot of real rap. I feel like I should've merged the pop, but I ain't getting no buzz back. The fuck's that? 6 points for the run back. You want smoke, but you know that you don't want that. Don't give a single fuck about the way your gun class. I'm more going on roads than 10 toes down. On floor selling them shows out. Get dough when the pen goes down. Bend those routes and extend those droughts. Set fire to the booth of sun, cause the truth is nothing to the dudes who frontin'. Let's Star Wars to the toast and bust the Cuban. Rush the news of the newly coming rain leaders. The rain speaker, replace speakers, I make either. Make way for the main teachers, and pay features and break meters. Of all sorts, no way can the game leave us. Not on track for the number one, the most skill. No thunder for the mother ones, got no chill, no deals that is under 100% in my favor. Better not become an enemy. Sending me every single chance to break and we'll break through. I'ma think with hands and make news and make moves. I'ma take a chance to stay advanced away. Can it stay the handsome in the best shape? No way you can stop me. The best rapper in the stage, you can top me. Get his money, hit on lace from the cocky. Feeling no one in the stage ever got me. Too complex, it's through the stress again. Use your chest, improving threats to send. Lose your best, you lose a set of cans. Me or any views, I can't pretend that you will never ever want to ban. Truth to me, cause I would want to end. Any chance to